doing this. We saw the handwriting on it. I can't beat him.
Yep.
This is what he's doing. For me to counteract it, I can't beat him. So I give up. Cut my foot. Kept out flanking. That was a terrible walk, man.
2 West Point graduates.
Huh?
2 West Point graduates.
Yeah. But Lee was, South had all the good generals. We had generals that didn't want to fight, or their tactics weren't that good. Yeah. There was one battle of, I think it was Gettysburg. You know, we had repeating rifles.
Yeah.
And some idiots in the Union said it was too expensive. I mean,
I've had goals to draw this classic yokai
Cut
for,
the war in half.
they had, when they were
well,
approaching Gettysburg.
I don't know
I
how
don't know
long.
many men. Maybe a platoon, it was a full platoon. The guys that had these repeating rifles.
Lever actions.
Huh?
Lever actions. Lever action.
Yeah.
Anyhow,
Well,
after this classic yokai inspirits you, you'll start looking for things to lick.
Forget about it. You could fire 6 shots before a guy reloaded.
Sure.
So what they were doing, as the Rebs were advancing, they started opening fire with these repeating rifles. They thought that we had more people firing because of the amount of poop they were putting out.
Yep.
They were delaying them. It was like cautious, you know?
Yep.
Wow.
Try hit exit on the.
You got it.
Hey, Chris, let me have the. I want to see something.
Got the remote.
Thank you. That was the governor of Texas.
Abbott.
Abbott, yeah. This idiot's mayor, he wants to sue him.
He's an idiot.
Oh.
Here's his hair. And there he is. That's how you draw tublappa.